Welcome guys. Super excited to start our new year, although we did already start our new year. For those of you who are not aware, may not have joined, but we had a lot of fun at Dave & Buster's. So welcome to our second meeting at ODIN. I can promise you it's going to be an amazing year, as always, full of support, full of sharing, full of growing, helping each other, mentorship, seeing cases, whatever we need to do to help you in your practice succeed. That's really the ultimate goal, and that's why I hope you guys are here.